Just made this shaker in about 10 minutes. Plastic Easter egg from Lindcraft or Spotlight, or probably a dollar shop. Fill it with sunflower seeds so that it can shake and make a sound as a little percussion instrument. Tape it closed with some tape, as they're quite fragile when you press them. Cover it with fleece of all colors. Dip your hands in a bit of soap and hot water, holding the Easter egg. Massage it lightly. Roll it around until finally the fleece becomes felt. And when it is dry, the seeds are going to shake much better and make a better sound. Beautiful, simple activity for Easter, or anything.